Hello, welcome to this channel. Uh, Today I will teach you to how to download the SQL server. First, search for SQL server and find the Microsoft link and scroll down and choose for Express and click download. And we download this file, will be downloaded in your File Explorer. Then the next is search for SSMS download. So download the SQL Server Management Studio and scroll down and find the link for the 2022 or 2020 version. Yes, download under download SSMS. Click on that and will be downloaded in your file. And go to your file manager and find downloaded file. Press download your Express SQL server. Click on that and minimize the tab. And choose for basic installation type and accept this license. And keep in default file location and click install. And this installation is take a lot of time. Your installation is processing. And I will be back before after finishing this installation package. So after successful installed the package, the SQL Server 2022 and install for SSMS. Yeah, we have already downloaded that on our file. So go to your our file and find downloaded file and click on that and accept the permission from the admin and click on install. Keep it default location if you prefer in that. So be patient for processing installation. There's a lot of time depending on your computer performance. So this take a while installation for packages, and I will go back later after this installation is successfully. So welcome back. SQL Microsoft SQL Server already installed, and this window is will be closed. And after that, search for SQL Server, SQL Server, and find Management Studio 20 and run as administrator. And please wait, take a while for loading. And this the result. You will be use the SQL Server, and if you, this pop-up error is set for optional, or click the trust this certificate to work it. And here you go. You will click your project. Thank you for watching.